In this video, I want to show you guys my top 5 Beats PO 2024 features. For number 1 is instant pairing. You can pair the speaker to your phone instantly by just bringing it nearby and clicking the pair button, and it connects to your phone instantly. Then for the second feature is Find My. In case you lose the speaker, it would show you its last known location on Apple Maps, where you can play a sound or show the direction of the speaker and find it in any location. Then for the third feature, I'd say the sound quality. This sounds exquisite. It's one of the best sounding portable Bluetooth speakers I've owned. And for the fourth feature is the instant switching feature, where unlike your typical Bluetooth speakers where you have to connect to Bluetooth then disconnect just to reconnect another device, you can just instantly switch from the control center on your iPad, your Mac, or your iPhone, and instantly switch. No need to jump through menus. And for the last and final feature is the USB charging feature. With the USB-C charging port on the back, you can charge your iPhone, your MacBook, and even your iPad from the speaker, which is quite amazing. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching.